What happened?
Yeah.
Donald? I don't believe that.
With his charming. He charmed you.
Mickey's not going to be happy about that.
Yeah.
No, I won't say anything. Good morning from another beautiful October day here in Florida. It's November.
It's the 1st of November.
Yeah, I mean, well, you understand my confusion. Okay, it is the 1st of November, but it was the 31st of October last night. Anyway, yeah, we're in Magic Kingdom today. We were here last night for Mickey's Not So Scary. We've just come up on the bus. We're stopping on site at Old Key West. We just got dropped off, and we're absolutely stunned at the change of decorations. It's Christmas.
Overnight.
We were here. We ended our last vlog in this very same spot. It was 1:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
It's now what, 10:50. So you're talking about 9 hours ago. The whole park. Well, I presume the whole park's decked out in the Christmas decorations. The front was certainly all decked out.
And Halloween.
Now it's all Christmas. So in the space of 9 hours, they've completely just transformed the park.
Yeah.
I thought Halloween went on for a bit longer. Apparently it doesn't. But if it's Christmas, we're going to see Christmas stuff. I'm not ready. We only celebrated Halloween last night. We're British. We haven't even celebrated bonfire night.
Yeah, true that.
So last night, all of this was pumpkins. There was massive pumpkins either side here. There was all pumpkins as you go through, but now it's all Christmas wreaths and baubles and
Red bows.
red bows.
Master magician.
Chip and Dale in the middle. Oh, I cannot believe. Look, all the Christmas bells, and it was literally about 8 hours ago we was here.
I took a photo of a pumpkin on the lamppost over there.
This is pretty much like the first time we are seeing the castle in a weird way. Because like I said, we was here last night. It didn't even feel like it was in Magic Kingdom last night. It really didn't. For Mickey's Not So Scary. But now in the day, you can really appreciate the castle, and it does feel like our first time of the trip here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we are heading straight over into Frontierland because our first Fast Pass kicks in about 10 minutes. It's for Big Thunder Mountain. Our other Fast Passes?
We've got Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Okay.
And then we've got Splash Mountain.
Okay, yeah, great. And then we're not going to be spending the entirety of the day here. I mean, we are stopping on site, like I said.
Feet hurt.
Yeah. We were out last night really late, weren't we?
And we were walking and standing for like a good 8 hours.
Yeah, we
solid.
didn't sit, usually when you come to parks you sit down and eat. We didn't sit down and eat last night at the party. We just literally, walked everywhere, didn't we?
And waited for parades
and we're still kind of a little bit jet lagged. But I think last night we slept really deeply. Definitely helped.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to be coming back into each of the parks multiple times. It was not as if we're here today and that's it, so we've got to get everything done. We're coming back in later. We've got another 2 trips into this park.
Yeah.
So we're going to be doing an afternoon, a morning here,
yeah.
but we've got we've got dining reservations tonight at the Yachtsman. So we need to save a bit of room for that, and then we're going to be going on to Disney Boardwalk as well after that, and having a couple of drinks, chilled out, you know, looking out over the water. That'd be nice. So yeah, heading over to Frontierland now, getting on that first Fast Pass. Wildest ride in the wilderness. I definitely remember there being the one right at the end, same as Paris, but there was at least two that I spotted where he's
hiding.
Yeah, he's hiding, yeah. That's really cool to try and look out. I probably missed more because I wasn't paying attention until about 3/4 of the way through when I saw the first one.
Yeah.
But I reckon there's more dotted around.
Yeah, I think
it's
they
cool.
have changed it slowly.
So it's not just to sit and look at pirates, it's actually something to try and look at now, to try and
find.
where are the hidden jacks.
Yeah.
We've just made a quick pit stop to get some of these potato waffle fries. I eyed up these last year when we came. It's from the outpost just on the outskirts of Adventureland. Adventureland's there. But
when we came, it was closed.
yeah, I walked past, saw them and thought, oh, they look really nice. We came back later and it was closed.
Yeah.
So yeah, like Rachel said, I've been waiting about 15 months for these.
Don't have to wait.
It tastes so much better. American food tastes so much better.
It does.
So crispy. Perfect. We're just saying so far how impressed we both are with the Disney dining plan. It's the first time we've ever... Have you ever been on it?
No.
No, neither of us have ever been on this before, but you essentially pay for all of your food before you come over. It doesn't equal dollar for dollar how much you spend. You certainly save a lot more than you do.
Yeah.
But all of your money is on these babies, on this Magic Band, and every day you get so what is it? You get a quick service, which is like a burger and chips, hot dog and French fries. You get a table service, so you can look at an evening meal, and you get 2 snack credits, donut, cookie, churro, ice cream, and it rolls over as well. And we've accumulated so much already. And as far as our own money that we've brought, we've probably spent about, no word of a lie, we were on day 3, day 4,
Like $15.
but granted, a lot of our money's going to go on souvenirs and stuff, but it's really nice not just to have to worry about food, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not have to worry about like, oh, how much is this going to, it's just all bam, 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 bam.
Disney's expensive anyway, so.
Yeah. The Haunted Mansion. We decided that, oh, it's a 40-minute wait. That's quite, we've been pretty fortunate with the waits, haven't we? I mean, the 40 minutes, that's actually surprised me. It's a lot longer than I thought. But we are going to do the Haunted Mansion when we come back. We're going to come back in on an evening, aren't we, when it's dark?
Yeah.
And we've got our Phantom Manor t-shirts that we got from Disneyland Paris.
Yeah.
I love that sound. I want to make it as my notification on my phone.
That'd be cool, yeah.
I'll be asking you to text me all the time.
Even when we're in the same room.
Yeah. Text me, Rachel, I got blues.
You're silly.
We're meeting Rach. Donaldo. The great Donaldo. Goofini. It says Goofini and Donaldo. Minnie and Daisy are over there, Rach. Oh, these look cool.
Daisy's like a gypsy.
Oh, I can see her just through there, yeah. Uh oh, do we need to do them all? Hey Goofy, you okay? What happened?
Yeah.
Donald?
Did it?
I don't believe that.
With his charming. He charmed you.
Mickey's not going to be happy about that.
Yeah.
I won't say anything.
We won't tell the bar. That's right.
Donald. Hey Donald. Oh, I love it. I love it. Donald, Goofy says that you hypnotised him.
And he crashed his bike.
Yeah?
He was driving it.
He can't drive it.
He was texting.
Oh, that is really naughty. So you didn't hypnotise him? Oh, maybe. That's Donald. That's the Donald we love.
Oh mein Gott, diese Tasche ist einfach nur geil. Natürlich!
65? Damn! 65 for the bags. Cool though. Should we get a snack?
Another one.
Wow, I feel like something sweet. And I think this is a place too. Oh, even the it's like an actual. Oh, it's not. I thought it was real. I thought it was like a real piece of. I've been hoodwinked.
Just printed.
Oh yeah, we've got to get something here. It'd be an absolute slap in the face to Disney if we did not. I don't know what, but I like the look of this. It's okay. I like the look of this Mickey in his red shorts.
Yeah.
We're getting something.
Yeah, okay.
Brilliant, thank you.
Thank you.
That little snack place was just in the big top souvenir shop. Just as you come out from meeting Donaldo, Goofini, and it's also where we met Seven Dwarfs last night.
Yeah.
Take his ear off then. Save the other ear for me, it's where all the chocolate is. So that was our morning / early afternoon in Magic Kingdom. We are coming back here 2 more times though, so it's by far not over yet. We're heading back to the hotel like I said earlier, going to shower up, rest up, and then we're heading to the Yachtsman and to Boardwalk later on tonight and having a few drinks. So we'll catch up with you then. And we are back after a nice long rest. The sun has set. Well, it's at that nice point where it's not set, but it's not out.
It's not as hot.
Anyway, yeah, we're heading over to, well, what we needed to do was we needed to get to the Yachtsman, which is at Yacht and Beach Club, but the bus from here, you have to go to Disney Springs, and then you have to get a bus from Disney Springs to Yacht and Beach Club. We don't have time for that. We're running a bit late, so we've just ordered an Uber on the Uber app, and currently Shonda is a 5-minute wait away, so it's a lot quicker than, well, the bus is 10 minutes away. We'd have to get it to Disney Springs, then wait
Yeah, we don't know.
10-15 minutes there, and then you'd have to get from there to there. So sometimes Ubers do come in handy, but when Shonda decides to rock up, we'll be on our way. Yeah.
Hello. Uber driver dropping off some guests.
Any idea where we're going?
Nope.
Your first time dining here with us?
It is. Hiya. It's perfect, thank you.
How are you doing today?
Very well, thank you.
I want to welcome you to the steakhouse. My name's Thomas. I'll be serving you tonight. Have you dined here before?
We haven't, no.
Would it be alright if I go over the menu a little bit with you, just give you a few ideas?
Yeah, that'd be excellent.
And at the top of the menu tonight, you'll find all the different starters of what I like to recommend. First thing, French onion soup. It is absolutely wonderful. The soup and fish, what you get to is lobster bisque with real lobster meat. And also, I love recommending our Caesar salad. It's one of the best I've ever seen. It's a very refreshing salad. Now, for entrees, New York strip is the very best steak on the menu. It is our prime cut of beef. Filet mignon is the most tender of all the steaks. And the porterhouse is a steak for two. Same as a T-bone, New York strip is on one side, filet on the other side, so you get a combination of both worlds.
Now, we was told that this is basically going to make garlic bread. These are actual, whoa, it smells like garlic.
It just hit ya.
Yeah. And you just spread it. He did say put some butter on as well, maybe?
Yeah, but the butter's like solid.
You need to let that melt a bit. And just mash it all together, and you should get yourself some nice garlic bread.
I'm gonna keep the vampires away tonight.
Can you taste?
Really nice.
You can taste it.
Yeah, nice.
Really?
Yeah, nicer than garlic bread at home.
Me and Rachel have both had the same meal. We've both gone for the fillet steak, except I've had mine well done. You've had yours medium. But it looks really, really good. And we've got a really nice view as well. Oh, what is this? What is this rosé called?
Rosé Regala.
Absolutely beautiful. The guy described it as Christmas in a glass, and he nailed it. That is the best reference I've ever heard in my life. But yeah, we got a really nice view, overlooking the pool and boardwalk in the distance there. Oh my god, guys, I had it's called the Admiral's cake, but it looks like some kind of building site, doesn't it?
It's architecture.
That's it, yeah, that's the word I was looking for. What did you have?
Creme brulee.
Oh, I like your little, what's that, piece of chocolate?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
I'm not going to be able to eat this. This is way too big.
There you go, and that's the one I need back to.
So
Okay?
you just need to sign those two.
Sign both of those. Have a great night.
Thank you.
Enjoy your vacation. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
That was absolutely fantastic and massively filling. The portions looked small, didn't they?
Yeah, but it's so filling.
But there was it's really deceiving, that is. Like you
I think because the steak was so thick.
yeah, and that dessert didn't even get halfway
Oh my
through.
God, yeah.
It felt like such a waste, but I didn't even get halfway through that. I thought, yeah, that is a bit of me. That is chocolate, orange.
But it was so rich.
Yeah. But and massive shout out to our server as well. Was it Thomas?
Thomas, yeah.
His voice was so soothing. Even his voice, like when he recommended like everything on the menu, didn't he?
Yeah.
He recommended our wine as well.
Yeah.
Absolute top guy. So yeah, Yachtsman Steakhouse, definitely thoroughly recommend that if you are coming here. Pricey if you're not stopping on the dining plan though.
Yeah. I think our bill came to $175.
Yeah.
We just had to pay for my extra glass of wine, which was $13, and then
Tip. But yeah, excellent. And it's directly opposite Disney Boardwalk, which is where we're heading to now. Amazing, just the whole area. We're actually on
the boardwalk.
a boardwalk. So this is all Yatton Beach Club. This is where we have just come from. Cool little lighthouse there. The pool area is incredible over there. And you got the huge lake. And we're heading over here to Disney Boardwalk, where a lot of bars, a lot of restaurants. We've never actually been to Disney Boardwalk, so this is a first for us. So we've just ordered a couple of these cocktails from Abracadabra, is it? Yeah. I got this cool pineapple looking one. But yeah, I think we're just going to see out the rest of our night in this bar.